We got a 1 week streak of perfect sleep using my Whoop. I've never thought I'd be excited about sleep, but just doing some research and understanding on how big of a role it plays for recovery. For someone who's never focused on sleep, this is a big achievement for me, as well as bringing up some of my other health scores. If you guys want to try one of these, you can get a free band and 1 month free in the description below. You don't have to return the band, and you can cancel the subscription before they start charging you by the end of the month. It's worth a shot. It's pretty cool to see this. Without using Whoop, it would have been a little hard to know what exactly my body needed. Give it a try. It's free. You don't even have to return the band. You can keep it. There's no catch. As part of the title, I think it's true. I'm pretty sure it's true. It's true. I am the oldest pro scooter rider, the oldest active pro. There's maybe 1 or 2 other pros from our generation that are still riding, but as far as age, I think I win. There are some other guys who ride who aren't pro that are my age or even older, which is awesome. I love to see it. Being able to do as many tricks as possible for as long as possible is something I've been really trying to focus on. I love scootering so much, so I just want to be able to ride forever. Is that the reality? I don't even want to answer that one. But I do want to set the limit. I want to be an example for generations to come. And being a rider from the first generation, from when we used to ride Razor scooters, unfold them, and compete against the Team Razor pros back in 2006 and 2007, and making it this far, I want to be inspiration for the next generation to focus on innovating, riding, getting out there and connecting with other riders, but then also be the professional athlete, focus on health, fitness, diet. They go hand in hand. It's freezing, but at least my scooter feels good. Put on some new wheels 2 weeks ago now, and I'm just loving the feeling of new wheels on a smooth floor anywhere you go. If you guys want to set, and everything else in my scooter feels awesome. And the point of this video is to realize that I have a job to do. My job is to set an example. I'm the oldest pro. How long can I last? Having that injury 2 years ago was more of a wake-up, which forced me to get into health and heal and do everything I possibly could to fix that problem and to get back into riding, which we did. There are a lot of athletes from other sports who figured it out, but there's no one in the sport of scootering that has really doubled down on health to see how it can benefit riding. That's what I want to do. I want to be the first to do this. I wish I started earlier. I wish I started when I was 3.5 years old. That would have been nice to figure out not to eat crap and work out, but we're doing it at 36. It's at the point, even with all these layers, warming up is not an option and actually getting colder as we ride. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna head out from here, grab some food, get a workout. I'm gonna try to include more of these things that I'm talking about on what I'm doing outside riding in order to get me to ride more. And there'll be a few videos I'll be making in the next few weeks riding different scooters, different completes, different decks, and different parts. Let's go. See how many completes we got? We got a lot of different scooters to ride, and I'm giving this one away, one of my old completes. We got the TS Pro. We got a few of these, 2 in boxes, and this one. I'm probably gonna keep 2 of them. It means I have another 2 that I'm gonna build, make videos, and then give away. So if you're subscribed, I'll probably make a short or do something with those. 2 I'll keep for myself or a friend that comes over, and 2 giveaways. I'm gonna do my best to put videos up at least once a week now that I'm feeling good.